Active vitamin C is the star of True Skin Vitamin C Serum. This plant-powered, freshly made formula synergistically blends ultra-hydrating Botanical Hyaluronic Acid, organic aloe vera, and one of nature's most powerful antioxidants, vitamin E. Start off using your vitamin C serum by applying just 3 to 5 drops to cleansed and toned skin. Then follow with your favorite True Skin moisturizer. Clinically tested and Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. Meet your true skin today.
The True Skin Vitamin C Serum is absolutely incredible for reducing wrinkles, fine lines, fading sunspots, and firming and brightening the skin tone. This not only shrinks pores, it clears acne, minimizes acne scars, and it has no chemicals added or fragrance whatsoever. So what does that mean? This means it's perfect for AM and PM use under moisturizer, as well as incredible for sensitive skin. This revitalizes aging skin with ingredients that help restore youthful appearance. With this product, a little bit goes a long way. All you need is about 2 to 3 drops into the palm. And what I do is I mold it into the hands, and then I go in again and I go up through the neck, and then I mold it onto the skin. You want to be careful without pulling and tugging at your skin because that helps with aging. What you want to do is be gentle with your skin, and when you're doing that and you're using an incredible product, it goes a long way.